Hey class, my name is Kevin Jones. A few of my interests include running, live music, and nature. In terms of running, I like to run marathons. My first marathon that I ran was in 2017, and it was the Chicago Marathon. I've only done the Chicago Marathon. I'm going to do my 6th attempt on October 9th. I'm actually going to drop a link for a charity that I run for. It's called Girls on the Run. So I'm a charity team run member. Basically, I'm a conduit or a siphon of money from people to the organization, and it's through my running efforts as well. So if you would be so generous to donate $5 to $10, that'd be great. If not, that works too. I've already raised, I think, $1,300. I'd like to raise $2,000. I also love live music. I'm going to go see Odessa September 9th in September. That's EDM, if you're familiar. I also like metal, funk, jam music, really anything with a good beat and that you can groove to. I'm into that. Also like nature as well, which is why I have these awesome plants behind me. And they're a type of dune grass. And then my current position, I'm an 8th grade science teacher at a middle school. I've been in this position. This is now my 6th year. Before that, I taught environmental science in the same building for 4 years. So that means I'm starting my 10th year of school this year, which is insane. Doesn't even seem possible. I am also a tech coach in my building, so I help teachers navigate any sort of technical issues they have with the learning management system or getting Zoom links set up or any of that stuff. I'm the go-to guy or one of them in the building. And I'm also now newly a teacher leader in my building. I mentioned this course that I was going to be taking while I was doing my interview. In the position, I'll get to coach teachers on instructional practices, and I'm just excited to get in other classrooms and learn some of the awesome tricks I know my coworkers are doing in their room. I became a teacher because of teachers I had, and because I like to connect with people. It's just kind of a natural thing for me. I know I don't seem natural on the camera. I'm not. More of a face-to-face kind of guy, but here we are. If I had a magic wand, I would like to be able to change the speed at which time flows, so I could get everything done. I don't want to be super fast or anything. I want to move at my speed and do things the way I want them done, but with no consequence of time. Because being in grad school, being a middle school teacher, being a marathon runner, you can already see I have 1 full-time job and 2 part-time jobs. It's quite busy. I'm most excited about this course is connecting with some familiar students from other classes I've had, learning from each other. Also excited to just learn and expand my understanding of what it means to be a teacher leader, because I have some definite thoughts from being a teacher for 10 years, but I'm sure there's some areas that I'm missing. So, alright, I'll see you all in the discussion board. Thanks for checking out my video. Consider donating.